Now, we are going to discuss about the skin, the second sense organ. Remember this thing that the skin is the largest organ in the body. If someone asks you that which one is the largest organ in your body, so remember this thing that skin is the largest organ in our body. What are the different functions of skin? Just like ear tells you where a sound is coming from. In the same case, skin has different function. What are the different functions of skin? First function, the skin stops germs and harmful chemicals getting into the body. Skin actually protect us from different type of germs, and they actually stop that germs and harmful chemicals getting into our body. And they also provide protection against sunlight. It also prevents the loss of water from the body. It also prevents the loss of water from the body means हमारी बॉडी से वाटर की जो लॉस होती है उसको भी ये रोकता है ताकि ज्यादा से ज्यादा वाटर जो है वो लॉस ना हो. बिकॉज इफ टू मच वाटर लॉस फ्रॉम अवर बॉडी देन because our body is made up of lot of water, and if that water is removed from our body, as more quantity of water is removed from our body, then we will suffer from dehydration, and then we have to face different problems. So in this case, skin actually help us in prevents the loss of water from the body. Remember this thing that skin has two main layers. Just like the air has three main parts, the skin has two main layers, the inner layer and the outer layer with a layer of fat beneath. Inner layer, outer layer and a layer of fat beneath. Means first one layer is that we call outer layer, after outer layer inner layer, and after inner layer we have a layer of fat, as you can see here in this picture. This one is the outer layer, then this one is the inner layer, and this one is the layer of fat. So two layers are present in the skin, outer layer, inner layer, and then the layer of fat that is beneath. Now, there are different nerve cells in the skin. As we have different nerve cells in the walls of the cochlea and in the semicircular canal, in the same case, in our skin, the different nerve cells are present. And different nerve cells are actually for different purpose. They are sensitive to touch, pressure, temperature, and some also give us sensation of pain. जब भी हमें कभी समटाइम अगर हमारी स्किन पर हम कोई गरम चाय की गरम चीज लग जाती है तो हमें फील होता है फौरन से कि समथिंग इज हॉट. तो वो हमारे नर्व सेल्स हमारे हैंड्स में मौजूद होते हैं, हमारी स्किन पे मौजूद होते हैं, जो कि सेंस करते हैं उन चीजों को, उस टच को. प्रेशर के बारे में हमें बताते हैं, टेम्परेचर के बारे में हमारी स्किन हमें बताती है बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ नर्व सेल्स इन स्किन. Sometimes our skin also tell us about pain, so that is also due to the nerve cells that are present in skin. Specifically, I told you that in our skin there are different type of nerve cells, but the nerve cells that are sensitive to touch, वो नर्व सेल जो स्पेसिफिकली टच के लिए सेंसिटिव होते हैं, क्योंकि डिफरेंट नर्व सेल्स मौजूद होते हैं. कुछ नर्व सेल्स हमें टेम्परेचर के बारे में बताते हैं, कुछ नर्व सेल्स हमें प्रेशर के बारे में बताते हैं, कुछ नर्व सेल्स हमें टच के बारे में बताते हैं, कुछ नर्व सेल्स हमें पेन के बारे में सेंसेशन देते हैं. तो वो नर्व सेल्स जो कि टच से रिलेटेड हमें सेंसेशन देते हैं या टच सेंसिटिव होते हैं, दे आर स्पेसिफिकली प्रेजेंट ऑन फिंगर टिप्स, in our lips and in our tongue. These are the three specific locations in which nerve cells that are sensitive to touch that are present. Now there are two types of nerve cells that detect temperature. Now अब टच के तो नर्व सेंसिटिव सेल्स होते हैं, वो स्पेसिफिकली 3 लोकेशन पर मौजूद होते हैं. इसके अलावा भी मैंने आपको बताया कि कुछ नर्व सेल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो टेम्परेचर को डिटेक्ट करते हैं. जो हमारी बॉडी में टेम्परेचर को डिटेक्ट करते हैं वो दो तरीके के नर्व सेल्स होते हैं. एक वो होता है जो हमारी फ्रंट साइड पर हमारी बॉडी के मौजूद होते हैं, फ्रंट ऑफ द बॉडी, दैट कंटेन मोर नर्व सेल्स एंड दैट आर स्पेसिफिकली सेंसिटिव टू हीट देन दैट. फ्रंट पार्ट जो होता है हमारी बॉडी का, दैट आर सेंसिटिव टू हीट देन द बैक पोर्शन. And this explains why your back tends to feel colder when you are in a cold place. कभी आप किसी ठंडी जगह में जाएं तो सबसे पहले आपका बैक पोर्शन जो है वो ज्यादा ठंडा होता है, कोल्ड होता है। क्यों? तो आपको कोल्ड फील जो होती है वो बैक पोर्शन पे होती है। क्यों? क्योंकि आपके जो फ्रंट पोर्शन होता है, फ्रंट पोर्शन पर जो आपके नर्व सेल्स मौजूद हैं वो ज्यादातर सेंसिटिव होते हैं हीट से। और बैक पोर्शन पर हीट सेंसिटिव नर्व सेल्स कम मौजूद होते हैं। दैट्स व्हाई आपका जो बैक पोर्शन है वो फील कोल्डर व्हेन यू आर इन अ cold place. So I told you that the nerve cells that are sensitive to temperature, there are two different type of nerve cells. The front part of your body contain those nerve cells that are sensitive to heat, and the back side of your body, they are nerve cells are present that are sensitive to cold. And this explains one thing, that your body tends to feel colder when you are in a cold place. Now there are nerve cells that actually gives you the sensation of pain, that actually tells you that something is wrong in your body, that actually tells you that something is wrong in your body. Means there is a pain, some muscle is not working or something is going wrong in your body. तो आपके जो पेन जो होता है वो आपको, आपका जो सेंसेशन के जो नर्व सेल्स होते हैं पेन के, वो आपको एक्चुअली बताते हैं कि आपकी बॉडी में कुछ रॉन्ग चीज हो रही है। मीन्स आपका कोई मसल जो है वो प्रेस हो गई है, या फिर स्वेलिंग हो गई है, या आपकी बॉडी का कोई पार्ट जो है वो वर्क नहीं कर रहा है। दैट्स मीन समथिंग इज गोइंग रॉन्ग इन योर बॉडी। देन वी हैव फ्री नर्व एंडिंग्स. Free nerve ending actually detects pain in our body. Free nerve ending actually detect pains in our body. Free nerve ending detects pain, and they are present, these free nerve ending, they are present all over the skin and also inside the body. The nerve endings, free nerve ending are present. So whenever there is a pain in your body, you immediately feel, even inside your body if you have pain, so आपको फौरन से उस चीज का आइडिया हो जाता है. You are aware of that pain just because of the free nerve ending, because that nerve endings are present all over your skin, even inside your body. So this is all about the skin. That skin is the largest organ in your body. ठीक है, skin is the largest organ. The skin has two main layers: outer layer, inner layer, and the last one is the layer of fat. Skin contains different type of nerve cells, and these nerve cells are sensitive. Some nerve cells are sensitive to touch, some nerve cells are sensitive to temperature, some nerve cells are sensitive to pain. So nerve cells that are sensitive to touch, they are specifically present in the fingertips, in our lips, and in our tongue. But the nerve cells that are sensitive to temperature, they are of two types in our body. The nerve cells that are present in the front side of our body, they are sensitive to heat, then the cold. And the back side of the nerve cells that are present in our skin, they are sensitive to cold and the heat. Then the sensation of pain also present. Sensation of pains that actually tell us what is wrong in our body, and then these free and nerve ending that detects pain, they are actually present in all over our skin. In all over our skin, even inside our body, that actually detects the pain, that actually tell us that something is wrong in your body.